I did some hiking. It's pretty cold here. I'm trying to find a nice spot, something with water, some old debris, so I can build something. And although this place looks really nice, I feel there could be a better place here. But the trees and all the other stuff here is beautiful. I did a quite long, I had a long walk because I'm a little tired, as you can see. But man, wow, this looks good. So I think there should be a creek or a small river over there. So I'm going to take a look, finding out what's there. Probably something nice. We'll see. Where to go? Where to go? Feels like sort of lost in the snowy forest. But we keep walking and we probably will find something really nice. Maybe not, but I hope. Fate. There will be a magic spot. Lots of breeze. It's very nice. Built something in here immediately, but I like to continue because I need more water, because I don't like the snow eating process. So I finally found a very nice spot here in the forest. I was looking for a small river, and on top of the hill there was a lot of snow but no water. And I prefer to have some clothes with me to wash, for washing, for drinking, and it's here. So yesterday I lost my phone, so I had to look for it. Took an hour, and then I was a little late on this location. Then I had to start making a fire, building my tarp. So it was getting dark, and then I was finished. I had a good night. And today I'm going to look for a nice scan objects. So there's a small river, but there are also very nice trees over here. So I hope to scan some of these. I'm not sure if that's possible because it starts raining again. And I don't prefer to have rain here. But that's what I'm going to do. Reason that I'm doing it like this and not like a one-day trip to a forest is that you feel way more connected to nature, because you sleep here, you look around, you see new things, and it really helps for me to improve my work. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So we'll have a quick hike here and looking for some nice scan objects. See you there. So I'm now on a perfect location. I'm surrounded by all tall trees, and that is exactly what you want when you make photo scans. When you look at this bark or tree, it has like very nice roots, and then it goes straight upwards. And I can eat some of these trees. So what I'm going to do is I go there, I'm going to make a photo scan and work it out. Perfect.